There you go. Tube. Another video trying to help you find your components in the car. Your knock sensor on the 2002 2.2. I'm sorry, 2.2, not 2002. 2.2 liter GM engine, the Eco, whatever you call that, Econo. In case you need to remove your knock sensor, it's right under your intake manifold. And it will be probably the easier way. There may be other ways. Maybe you can go underneath and do it from above the starter, but it's not easy. You can try it that way. Okay, just want to let you know where it's at. The possible way on top of the alternator, but this piece over here may be a problem with trying to get a wrench up there because it's right in front of it. So probably your best way is to remove this guy over here, which is not really a big deal. You have to, of course, you have to remove your throttle and all the stuff, but you know it's easy. You can kill a lot of time if you do that. So good luck. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting up lots of videos on how to remove and do little things that I can do so that people can do it. I struggle to find this, so then I try to save you the struggle. Thank you. Subscribe, please.